Hi, my name is Scott Grossman from the Grossman Law Firm located in Freehold, Clifton, Matawan, and Saddlebrook, New Jersey. I'm going to talk to you today about trucking accidents. We here at the Grossman Law Firm have over 17 years of experience representing injury victims of tractor-trailer trucks and other types of trucks. The phones are always ringing off the hook with people that are suffering from severe injuries to do with trucking accidents. And unfortunately, it is a very serious topic. The safety concerns of truck drivers are actually monitored and regulated by the federal government. It is critical that you have a law firm who understands these safety guidelines and knows how to investigate thoroughly when there's a trucking accident that occurs, because the injuries are very serious. You need a lawyer and a law firm that's serious but is compassionate and will be here to represent you if you're a victim of a truck accident.
Consultations are always free and confidential. Please call 877-99-NJ-LAW. That's 877-996-5539 or email us at the link below. You are not responsible for a fee unless the Grossman Law Firm recovers on your behalf.